Laundry hampers, how much should you really spend? You see $15 ones flying off the shelves, then $25 versions with lids and fancy handles. But here's the thing, cheap doesn't always mean flimsy, and expensive doesn't guarantee durability. Today, I'm breaking down the real differences so you don't waste your money. Product number 1, LifeWit 2-Pack Collapsible Hampers. First up, the LifeWit 2-Pack Collapsible Hampers at just $15.20. This is one of the most popular options out there, with over 20,000 sold last month. What caught my eye is how lightweight yet sturdy they feel, thanks to that iron wire frame that keeps them standing upright. If you want something affordable, space-saving, and big enough for dorm life or small apartments, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Each hamper holds 80 liters, that's about 1.5 loads of laundry, and you get 2 for the price of 1. The waterproof PA coating inside means wet towels won't soak through, and the reinforced handles make carrying full loads upstairs surprisingly easy. Plus, when you're not using them, they fold flat in seconds. No tools, no hassle. Now, some people complained about the material feeling thin at first. Here's the thing though, it's designed to be lightweight, not indestructible. If you're rough with your baskets or overload them consistently, yeah, it might wear faster. But for everyday use, it holds up just fine. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget, live in a dorm, or need extra storage without committing to bulky furniture. Skip this one if you're looking for long-term heavy-duty use or want a lid to hide odors. For the price, though, solid value. Product number 2, LifeWit 100L Hamper with lid and bamboo handles. Now, if the last one didn't have a lid and that bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. The LifeWit 100L Hamper with lid comes in at $25.37 and adds serious functionality. With bamboo-style handles and a removable inner bag, it looks cleaner and works smarter. If you want something that hides dirty clothes and makes laundry day less of a chore, this is a strong contender. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 100-liter capacity fits nearly 2.5 loads, perfect for families or weekly washes. The lid isn't just decorative, it actually contains smells, which is huge if your laundry room doubles as your bedroom. And that removable inner bag. You can snap it out, toss it over your shoulder, and go, no need to drag the whole bin to the washer. Now, some people complained about the assembly feeling flimsy at first. Here's the thing though, those 4 fiber rods actually lock in tight once you push them all the way in. It's not instant gratification, but after setup it stands firm even when full. Just don't expect it to survive a drop down the stairs. This is perfect for you if you want a neat, odor-contained solution for shared spaces or bedrooms. Skip this one if you're constantly moving it around or hate assembling things. For home use with a little extra polish, totally worth the upgrade. Product number 3, JM Visirome Woven Cotton Rope Hamper. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for style-conscious spaces. The JM Visirome Woven Cotton Rope Hamper costs $24.10 and looks more like decor than a laundry bin. It's handmade, round, and blends into living rooms or nurseries without screaming dirty clothes. If you want function and form in one, this stands out. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 60-liter size is smaller than the others, but that's intentional. It's meant for bedrooms or kids' rooms where you don't need massive capacity. The cotton rope is soft on hands and safe around pets and toddlers, and it's surprisingly sturdy when filled with soft items like blankets or pajamas. Plus, it's collapsible, so tuck it away when guests come over. Now, some people complained it loses shape when empty. Here's the thing though, that's normal for woven baskets. Just stuff a pillow inside or use a warm iron to reshape it. It's not a flaw, it's how natural fiber products behave. This is perfect for you if you value aesthetics and want a hamper that doubles as home decor. Skip this one if you need to haul heavy loads or want machine-washable parts. For style and gentle use, it's a winner. Product number 4, SOLEDI 100L Hamper with lid and removable bag. Now, if you like the idea of a lid and removable bag but want something even sturdier, this next one delivers. The SOLEDI 100L Hamper at $24.08 uses thicker rods, an MDF base, and a metal top frame, so it won't sag or collapse even when packed full. If you want industrial-level durability without the industrial price, this is it. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The structure is built to last. Unlike cheaper frames that bend, this one stays rigid thanks to those reinforced fiberglass rods and the bottom panel that distributes weight evenly. The imitation linen fabric looks premium, resists tears, and has a moisture-proof layer, great if you toss in damp swimsuits or workout clothes. And yes, the inner mesh bag is removable and easy to carry. Now, some people complained it's heavier than expected. Here's the thing though, that's because it's actually built well. Lightweight usually means flimsy. This one trades a little portability for real stability. This is perfect for you if you do laundry weekly and want one hamper that handles the whole family's clothes. Skip this one if you're always on the move or live in a tiny space with no storage. For long-term heavy use, this is a smart investment. Product number 5, Handy Laundry Mesh Pop-Up 2-Pack. Finally, if you're all about airflow and travel-friendly design, the Handy Laundry Mesh Pop-Up Hampers at $16.48 might surprise you. These collapse in seconds, come in a 2-pack, and have a side pocket for socks or delicates. If you want something ultralight and breathable, especially for gym clothes or dorm life, this is a sleeper hit. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The mesh material lets air circulate, which cuts down on mildew and smells, huge if you toss in sweaty clothes and can't wash them right away. The wide opening makes loading bulky items easy, and the side pocket is genius for separating small items. Plus, they fold down flatter than any fabric hamper I've seen. Now, some people complain they tip over when empty. Here's the thing though, that's because they're designed to be filled. Once you add weight, they stand fine. Just don't expect them to stay upright on their own like rigid bins. This is perfect for you if you're a student, frequent traveler, or deal with stinky workout gear. Skip this one if you want a lid or need something that looks polished in your bedroom. For function over form, these are hard to beat. So which one's best? The LifeWit 2-pack wins for budget and volume. The SOLEDI takes the crown for durability. Want style? Go woven. Need airflow? Mesh is your friend. And if you want a lid without breaking the bank, the LifeWit 100L delivers. No single hamper fits everyone, but one of these definitely fits you.